Hey, good morning, fishing friends. It's your boy Dan the Fish Man, back at you again with another fishing video. Hey man, I'm back on the kayak. It's been a little minute. I've been getting spoiled getting all these boat trips, so I had to get back to my roots. So we're out here, Bay Pines, War Veterans Memorial Park. They have a nice little kayak launch back here. I've been wanting to see what this water looks like, so here I am. Should be a good day, whether or not I catch fish, so thanks for coming along with me. Beautiful, beautiful weather. We're starting to feel a little tiny bit of that fall coming through here, and it's still hot, but at least there's a little bit of a breeze, so I'll take it, man. Hey, hopefully next time you see me, we'll be hooked up, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. Let's go. Guys, there's the bait. But I just got it put right to the horn. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that's how we're doing it. And just free lining them out there. Hopefully big old redfish gets this guy. Mango. Little bang. Flip this guy off. Hooked up. Maybe ladyfish? Yeah, lady. Live shrimp did the trick on that one. Right in the corner. I got live shrimp and obviously they're artificial. Well, sweet, hey, we're on the board. Hey guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just free lining some shrimp. I got 20-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon inshore and number two circle hook, Mutu light razor wire circle hook, and I'm just catching some. I had something pulling pretty good there for a second, but I got a little snapper, a little ladyfish. Seeing what's around. Haven't been in this area in a while. This is literally right, that's where I launch from, right there. So I'm just fishing the area. I'll probably fish here for another 10 minutes and then go scoot around the corner and see what's going on. Water's pretty high right now, so that's good. It's moving, so that's good. So hopefully we can take advantage of this good tide, good weather. No red tide, so take advantage of it. Hopefully we'll hook up here. Oh man, guys, I just got absolutely annihilated. There's bait everywhere. Big snook. My battery died, broke me off. Hopefully I can get them hooked back up, because this thing, 30-inch easy. Persistency paid off. I just been grinding out all day. It's been kind of hit or miss. Some ladyfish early, and then nothing. I went and tried a bunch of spots, came right back to this spot, and then it seems like there's something going on here. So hopefully we can get them. little snook. The bait came through and he came right behind him. Live shrimp for the win. Man, it's been a tough day. It's been a tough day. But I will take that. Good to see you, my dude. Woo! See you, buddy. He's fired up. Let's go. Since they're eating, I'm gonna try to throw the slam shady, see if I can get something to bite here. That live shrimp has definitely been the ticket today. But I see fish feeding, so maybe I can get him to strike this bad boy. Little nibble. What is this, big old catfish? Snook. Baby snook. Oh, angry. This is definitely not the one that broke me off earlier, but we'll gladly take him or her. Man, this thing is feisty. Fired up. All right. Hey, we made a day of it, guys. A little perseverance. I've been out here pretty much all day. Nice little snooky. Beautiful. Whoa! He wanted to come right back in the boat. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that's it for me. Hey, thanks for coming along with me on this awesome fishing trip again. We got out there early this morning and fished till about 1:30 and didn't do too hot early on. Caught some ladies fish, a couple mangrove snapper. I was really trying to push it with the slam shady, but nothing seemed to be wanting that artificial. So luckily for me, I brought the old live shrimp, the old trusty live shrimp. I mean, everything eats that. So once we did that, sort of picked up a tiny bit. Did get into a couple snook, which was really nice as you could see. Missed a massive snook. The hook actually came untied, so that's pretty disappointing. As an angler, you know, I take pride in myself on my knots and stuff, and that one just came unbuttoned. So hey, bad on me. It won't happen again, at least if I have anything to do with it. So honestly, those are the ones that keep me coming back fishing, guys. The ones that you miss, I'll be thinking about that thing until I catch another 40-inch snook. So hey, thanks for watching me, guys. I know a lot of you guys have been interested in the tackle that I'm using. Today for free lining, I had the 7.6 back bay rod, 3000 Penn conflict. That has 15-pound braid on it. And then I had a 20-pound fluorocarbon with a 2/0 owner hook, and that was working really well for the live shrimp. And then for the slam shady, I have a yank 'em and crank 'em rod. It's a custom rod. I love it. I've had it forever. 6-foot rod, very light action, and that I was throwing a 1/4-ounce jig head with the 3-inch Salt Strong slam shady, which I highly recommend. Only paddle tail I throw. Hey guys, that's enough of me talking. I know you're tired of hearing that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for coming with me. Until next time, guys, let's go. Go get your own fish. Appreciate you guys.